unmanned aircraft come in many shapes and sizes. In its most economic form, drones are fun flying toys. And for industrial uses or professional filmmakers, it has specialized machines that can reach tens of thousands of dollars. The $700 new Parrot Anafi are at an intermediate point, balancing a decent camera and a lot of features with a price that is not prohibitively expensive. DJI is the dominant player in drones at this time. From $99 Tello up to $20,000 Inspire 2 Cinema Premium, it has coverage for work and play. On the other hand, Parrot is supposed to be in a period of transition. Last year, it eliminated part of the staff and began to move away from consumer drones to those created for specific commercial applications. But now we have the Anafi, who arrives just half a year after DJI's Mavic Air, a similar $799 quadcopter that is serious about aerial photography. Since I have played almost exclusively with toy drones in the past, I was eager to try the Anafi, something with a more serious inclination than I could ever justify buying for myself. I took it out of his little clean case, delicately unfolded his arms and plugged it in for the initial charge. The SK Controller 3 that comes with it seems a bit bulky and cheap in comparison, but in use it turned out to be a well-balanced, solid and sensitive disc, and that's what you want.